So my wife's asking me, what are you going to make for dinner? We have nothing planned for tonight. And I'm like, oh, I've been filming like crazy. I've been doing the barbecue grill reviews and barbecue stuff. And I'm beat, right? And then HelloFresh box arrives. No lie, perfect timing. Because now I don't have to worry about what I'm cooking. I can choose one of the 3 meals that arrived and it's all pre-measured and I just put it all together and boom. So if you want to try it, if you've never tried it before, use my discount code, JackShow30, and put that in there and you get $30 off your first week's order. You can choose, if you're vegetarian, they got veggie boxes. You're a family, they got boxes for families of 4. You can choose how many meals a week you want. Give it a try and let me know what you think. Are you guys ready to get your mac and cheese on? This is an incredible combination of flavors. But first, let me show you the meals that came today. This is meal number 1. It's pineapple poblano beef tacos. You've got the beef, tortillas, cilantro, pineapple, taco spice, sour cream, poblano pepper, Roma tomatoes, a lime, and a red onion. And this is exactly what the meal looks like. Does that look amazing? Meal number 2 that came today is sweet as honey chicken. You've got your chicken breasts, your green beans, soy sauce, jasmine rice, white wine vinegar. You have ginger root, garlic, lime, honey, and it's a concentrated chicken stock. And this is what the meal looks like when it's done. And this is what we're making today. It's called cauliflower pancetta mac and cheese. If you don't know what pancetta is, it's an Italian style bacon. It's diced up and it's really good. So we got the pancetta, we've got the green onion or scallions, the concentrated chicken stock, a blend of Italian cheese shredded up, got some flour, some milk, the pasta, and the cauliflower. Step 1, roast cauliflower. All right, now that the oven is at 400 degrees, grab yourself a little bit of olive oil. Just pour a little love on these. There you go. Spread them out so they get roasted equally on all parts. You're going to roast this in the oven for about 20-25 minutes or until tender. So I've noticed when HelloFresh gives you green onions, they have you dice them up, like thinly slice them. My mom always called these scallions. But they always have you separate the white onion part from the green onion part, which is really interesting because you get 2 uses out of it. I dig on that. So when you dice the white, and then you're done with the white area, don't get rid of the onion because they're going to use it. These V-Bell knives are working pretty good, by the way. Just wanted to let you know. They're still sharp. I haven't sharpened them yet. There. You got your white and your green now. Step 2, cook your pasta. All right, water's boiling. I'm going to put a pinch of salt in there. I'm going to pour my pasta into the boiling water. You want to always move your pasta right away or it'll start cooking together and stick. So make sure all your, whether it's spaghetti or rigatoni or this pasta, you want to make sure it gets separated. Step 3, crisp pancetta. Now right next door, while the pasta is cooking, we're going to throw our pancetta in the pan. Medium-high flame. Our white onions. Remember, the greens are separated. Just want to brown it up. Step 4, make your cheese sauce. We've removed the pancetta that's been browned and the onions out of here, but left the oil, the little grease that it left behind. We're going to put about a tablespoon of butter in there. We'll let that melt. All right, once the butter's completely melted, you're going to add the flour in, okay? And you stir constantly. This is very important. You want to stir that flour in until it gets smooth. About 1 to 2 minutes. If you think your flame's too high, lower it. You're going to add your milk in. and the chicken stock. There we go. And then just work it in 1 to 2 minutes. You're gonna wanna pull it out off the flame and put it right here. No heat, okay? Get your cheese. Then you can put your cheese in here. Your pancetta. Your cauliflower pieces. I cut it down a little bit. Then your pasta. And take your time, slowly mix everything together. Step 5, bake mac and cheese. Here's the important part. You need to make sure that the pan this is in is oven safe. If not, transfer this to a baking dish that is oven safe, because we're gonna pop this in the oven right now. I know the Cauliflower that I'm using all year goes up to 450 degrees in the oven, so I can place this in the oven. And if you put it in a baking dish, add a little oil at the bottom first, then drop your dish in with all the mac and cheese, okay? Let's get this in the oven. We're gonna do 5 to 7 minutes. It's still at 400 degrees, so we're just gonna pop it in for a few minutes just to get it hot and bubbly. Step 6, plate and serve. Look how beautiful that looks. Hot and bubbly. Make sure you got a mitt when you pull it out. I don't want anybody burning themselves. Voila, there it is. Cauliflower pancetta mac and cheese. There's so much I want to say about this dish. The pancetta smells amazing. It's overpowering everything else. It's filling the kitchen. The roasted vegetables, I know are going to be great. I'm getting really into roasted vegetables. It's piping hot right now. So before I try this, don't forget, give HelloFresh a try. My discount code gives you $30 off your first week order. Just put in JackShow30, okay? The link is down below, the code's down below. And now it's time for me to burn my mouth because I just can't wait. Here goes nothing. Oh man. I never would have thought putting roasted cauliflower in mac and cheese would be so good. Another home run. Guys, thanks for joining me on this recipe. Try this recipe. Let me know what you think. And thank you, HelloFresh, for sponsoring today's episode. Take care. I love you, and I'll see you on the next one.